with you with my new poem. So don't wasting any time. Let's begin. The title of my poem is Rain. Like the raindrop, I could hear my rhyming hopes. When the rain stopped, I'm done too. Come and sit beside my healed soul to hear the roar of poetry. Rain fall on my naked eye. Maybe it is not rain. Whisper of your laugh is what I remind. You are the one with whom I want to smile and dance, want to walk on sands at the time of sunset, with hands mingled, creating new world of love. This time rain hugged me with metaphors, asked me, can I kiss your lips with my verses? Rain told me, sea has potential to grow daisies and sunflower in my heart, and I promised water them all winters. She want to present shadow of emotions from the clouds of poet's heart. Thank you so much, friends. I hope you like my video, my this new poem. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe and like.